What the f just happened?
Untersteht, ich weiß nicht, ob man es lesen kann, auf der unser Wort, gebaut wird er doch. Ja, und wenn man die Geschichte nicht kennt, die Baugeschichte, dann hier, sehen Sie den, hier ist das Kaiserwort, gebaut wird er doch. Genau. Und wenn man die Geschichte zum Bau des Kanals nicht kennt und nicht weiß, dass diese Planung bis zum Beginn des Zweiten Weltkriegs, Weltkrieg ab 1965, da steigerten sich die Verkehrszahlen wieder. Vielleicht einfach jetzt mal weiter. Oder Stadt Peters? Einmal in der ich war gerade dabei, dass die Planung ja begann ab den 1850er Jahren, dass es zu der Zeit, als geplant worden war,
working with me the whole time. At one point, early on, he said, you know, how you doing? I said, you know, my team will leave. He said, well, I can arrange that if you think it'll help.
Over tomorrow night. Just run the dog over.
Boy, what a big one. It's got a collar.
We gotta pee.
Well, what is this? You shit it!
Oh my God.
Probably smashed the front end. Just backed up and didn't even look. Well, these blind spot cars probably didn't see, but why would you just back up? I'll take a picture. And here's what happened.
Big indoor gatherings without masks in someone's basement. I've seen a lot of don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, but like here's what you can do to socialize. Gather outdoors, like
hey, I got that on Dashcam if you want my info.
Sounds good.
Okay. All right.
The clawing fog still lay thickly about the alley as Luke and I hurried to the truck. Sonny confirmed that there had been no sign of the tigers. It surprised me. Obviously, they knew the truck was here. Shen has specifically mentioned it. Maybe he didn't expect Sonny to run. Whatever the reason, it didn't matter. It just made our life a little easier.
Little road rage.
It's kind of like uncomfortable, like, you know, like a long airplane ride where you can't get comfortable in the seat. That's what it felt like to me. So my toe was not a big issue on the jar.
Wow, you're lucky.
You're like a Superman.
Yeah.
Yeah, except we're at the Borgata in Atlantic City.
New Jersey. The Sopranos in New Jersey. What's better than that?
November 20th, Andiamo Showroom, where we played many a time in Warren, Michigan. Always a Absolutely. So those of you that don't know, the most famous feast is the San Gennaro feast, one of the most famous. And there's also a lot of small feasts around, usually in the summer or the fall when the weather is nice. And a lot of it, the money goes to charities and churches, and like we see here. I find this weird. We're in Kelly's apartment. Christopher's watching Saw 2. We never saw Kelly before. All of a sudden, Kelly comes out of nowhere. We're in.
Uh-oh.
What a bunch of what a asshole.
What was that?
Fuck.
Holy Look at all the cars.
Fucking stop that asshole.
Oh my god,
Oh.
do you have his...
What was that?
All the rocks falling out. I'm okay. I can just
He
put
didn't
glass
have a
all
cup.
over.